Hi, it's the Rosa Vegan Gal here, and today I'm doing a part 2 video of some products from a company called De La Rosa Real Foods. And I did one video, and this is going to be a shorter video because the first video introduced you more to the products. And I have a couple others that I'm going to be doing something with and just talk to you more about ideas for recipes as opposed to making something. But I will do a little something. So, excuse me, the two products today are the organic red wine vinegar. And I mentioned all the particulars in the other video, and I will have a link below to their website as well. No additives, no preservatives, product of Italy, OU kosher and kosher for Passover, USDA organic, GMO free. What else? Gluten-free, vegan. And all this is Italian organic aged wine vinegar obtained from organic grapes. That's it. It's very simple. And it's also one of the choices on Amazon, the consumer voted choice. And also it says that it's also artisanal, small batch crafted, good enough to drink, and I will try a little like I did with the balsamic. And then the other product I have is their other tahini, which is their black sesame seed tahini, and last time I had a little problem opening it, so this time I already opened it and mixed it up. So this is the one that has a richer like a full body flavor. Also same thing, organic, vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, kosher, rich flavor, high in protein, calcium, minerals, omega-3, omega-6, higher levels of fiber and calcium, low levels of sugar, no additives or preservatives, no chemicals either in their production, so that's good to know. So just to tell you a little bit about some ideas that you could make with them. So many different things. I mean, it's the sky's the limit. You know, with the tahini, you could do things that are more, you know, either sweeter or savory, like you can do it as a pasta sauce, as a pesto. You can make it in a dessert or add it to a dessert. You could just spread it on some different things I'm going to show you. You can use it as a spread on, if you have tortillas. These are Ezekiel tortillas. Or on coconut wraps. So I'll have those all below, like ideas. Also some sushi nori. You could also spread it on rice cakes. And finally also on flaxseed crackers. And I'm going to put them on some flax. And then with the red wine vinegar, that you could use too in dressings and sauces, in spreads, right on your food. Like you could use it as a drizzle on your food. And like your salads, or any kind of things like that. Even your grains, vegetables, steamed vegetables, boiled vegetables, stews, anything like that. So I'm going to open this up. Hopefully it opens up easily. There we go. And it is in a glass bottle, if I didn't mention that last time. It's 16.9 fluid ounces. Give it a little smell. Oh, it has a smell. It's a rich flavored smell. And let's see what else it tells you here. It's aged in special oak wood barrels that are accepted for use in organic products. So it ages like fine wine, which is very good. And it's hand-picked, estate-grown, low acidity. So I'm going to actually take a little sip of this as well in a cup and see how that tastes. And I like how this pours. It pours and it doesn't drip. So that's the color of it if you've never seen what it looks like. Oh wow, that's definitely vinegar. Definitely perks you up there, and you have a little. If you have a little as a drink, I recommend you have just a small little shot of it, like a shot glass, but less than that. I just took a little swig, so that is strong. Woo! That's why it's vinegar. Wow, it tastes really good though. And then for the tahini, what I'm going to just do, just simply take a cracker, like I have here. These are flax crackers from Foods Alive, which I've done videos for. The coconut wraps too, and the sushi I've done videos for, so I'll list the name of the company. So I'm just going to take this is their original flax cracker. And I'm just going to spread a little of this and maybe put a little drop of the vinegar. So I'm using this straight. I'm not mixing it with anything else. And just have a full-bodied aroma when you smell it because it is roasted. So I'm just going to take some out. And it is black, like I said, because it's from the black sesame seeds. And I'm just going to put some on the cracker, just like that. So these are just their original crackers. They're very simple, basic cracker. And then what I'm just going to do is from this little cup, put just a drop, because it's going to it might pour too quickly and make a mess. So, because it'll spread fast. So, one drop, if I can get it out. There we go, more than a drop. Okay, now we'll taste it. The vinegar, excuse me, the vinegar does give it a nice balance. I just didn't want to pour too much because it would pour off the sides, so it wasn't mixed in. But because the tahini is a little drier, the actual vinegar gives it a nice balance. So you could do that, or you could take, another cute idea would be to take a little eyedropper and you squeeze a little in, put some in the cup, squeeze a little in, and then put a dab on the top of the tahini. So just very basic, very simple, very easy. You know, good way to get especially the seeds into your system a little more, because they have a lot of nutritional benefit to the body. And I hope you'll check them out and look for one more video coming up with a couple other products that I did not go through and share with you ideas for recipes. But if you have any ideas for other great recipes, please do share them below as well. You're welcome to. And again, the two products that I shared with you today are the black sesame seed tahini. This comes in a 16-ounce container. And also the red wine vinegar. Again, from Rosa Foods. Real food. And I thank you for watching. It's the Rosa Vegan Gal.